everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show a simple way how you can change your password on Facebook. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're going to be on Facebook, you want to go to right top corner to menu and then just scroll down below and you're going to see settings privacy here. Let's click settings privacy, and right here you're going to see dark mode settings and everything, and you want to simply click on settings. Now click on security and login under the security. And when you're going to be here, you're going to see under login, change password. Let's click on it. And right here, you just add your current password. Then you just add a new password and then you retype the new password and you update the password. And this is pretty much it how we do it. So thank you very much. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye. See ya.